Hello, beer enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel where we dive deep into the world of craft beers. Today, we're going to explore the science and art behind one of the most popular beer styles today, the Hazy IPA, also known as the New England IPA, or NEIPA. Look at this beauty. The haze in this beer isn't just for show, it's a testament to the complex brewing process and the unique ingredients that go into making a NEIPA. But what exactly makes a beer hazy? And how do brewers achieve this effect? Let's dive in. Firstly, the grains used in brewing play a significant role in the beer's haziness. Adding wheat or oats, whether flaked or malted, to your beer is a common practice. These grains are rich in proteins, which make up most of the haze in your beer. This is called colloidal haze, and it's a permanent haze that doesn't just flocculate out. But it's not just about the haze. Wheat and oats also contribute to the beer's body, texture, and taste, enhancing the overall drinking experience. They give the beer a fuller mouthfeel, making each sip a delightful experience. So, when you're sipping on a hazy beer, you're not just enjoying its unique look, but also the enhanced texture and taste that these grains bring. The boiling process is another crucial step. A shorter boil time, say 30 minutes, can help preserve the proteins that contribute to the haze. But remember, this step might not be suitable for everyone, especially if you don't have access to fresh malt or if you're adding bittering hops to your brew. It's all about finding the right balance that works for your brewing process and the specific flavor profile you're aiming for. Speaking of hops, they're another key player in the hazy beer game. Adding hops during the cooling down phase after the boil, a process often done during the whirlpool or flame out, can help increase the beer's haziness. This is because the polyphenols from the hops bind to the proteins, creating a more stable haze. But hops do more than just contribute to the haze. They also play a significant role in the beer's flavor and aroma. The timing of adding the hops can affect the beer's bitterness, aroma, and flavor. For instance, adding hops during the whirlpool allows you to add more hops, which contributes to more polyphenols, giving you more aroma and flavor in the beer without adding extra bitterness. Now let's talk about pH. Studies have shown that the optimal pH range for haze production is between 4.5 and 5.0. So, adjusting the pH of your beer to fall within this range can help enhance the haze. This is usually done by adding a little bit of phosphoric acid to the kettle after boiling. But why is pH so important? Well, it's all about creating the right conditions for the proteins and polyphenols to interact and form a stable haze. But perhaps the most important factor in brewing a hazy beer is the yeast. Certain yeast strains are more conducive to creating a hazy beer. These are often referred to as haze-positive yeast strains. They not only contribute to the beer's haziness, but also play a significant role in the beer's flavor profile. Yeast strains like London Fog, Brit 5, and our house favorite, the Hazy Coastal Blend, are known for their low flocculation, which helps keep the proteins and polyphenols in suspension longer, contributing to the beer's haze. But remember, the haze in a hazy beer isn't just about the yeast. It's a complex interplay of proteins, polyphenols, and yeast, resulting in this beautiful hazy brew. And it's not just about aesthetics. The haze in a hazy beer is a sign of the complex flavors and aromas that await you in each sip. So the next time you sip on a hazy IPA, take a moment to appreciate the science and craftsmanship that went into creating that delightful haze. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try brewing your own hazy IPA? With the right ingredients and techniques, you too can create a beer that's a feast for the eyes and the palate. But let's not stop there. Let's delve deeper into the world of hazy beers. Let's talk about dry hopping. Dry hopping during fermentation can increase a process called biotransformation, where yeast reacts with glycosides on the hops to form new compounds that wouldn't normally be in a fermented product. This process brings unique flavors into your beer, but it does lead to some challenges. Mid-fermentation, you are actually going to blow off a lot of hop volatiles that would have been present, and you're also making it more difficult to harvest the yeast later on. But don't let these challenges deter you. The result is a beer that's not only visually appealing but also packed with complex flavors and aromas. And that's what brewing is all about. It's about experimenting, overcoming challenges, and creating something truly unique and enjoyable. So, there you have it, folks. The science and art behind brewing a hazy beer. Whether you're a professional brewer or a homebrew enthusiast, these tips can help you brew a hazy beer that not only looks great, but tastes amazing too. Remember, the Hazy IPA is not just about its distinctive look. It's about a softer mouthfeel, less bitterness, and a very expressive fruity body in the beer. It's about aromatic fruity esters colliding with a lot of hops to give it a full-range bouquet and make it a juicy, hazy IPA. That's all for today, folks. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of hazy beers, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beer-related content. And if you have any questions, or if you've tried brewing your own hazy IPA, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring, keep brewing, and most importantly, keep enjoying great beer. Cheers!